Right, we just got on the airplane shuttle. Got Mama Gross with us. Wifey Christine. Gonna meet up with the rest of our travel crew in a little bit. Let's go. This is what it looks like when we go to get rental cars. Where do the Americans go immediately upon entering Costa Rica? Starbucks, of course. We're basic. It happens. Hi everyone, we just got our rental car in San Jose, Costa Rica, and although we haven't slept at all because we flew all night, spirits are high and it's awesome. It's about 10:15 and we're already going. We're not gonna get going, we're already going. First thing, on our way to the beach, we're gonna stop and see some crocodiles, and it's gonna be awesome. After that, I don't know what we're getting into, but we're ready to roll. We got the whole crew, we got 2 more following behind. We got Mama Gross in the back seat, Wifey Christine, and just absolutely ready to dominate. Here we go, day 1 underway. All right, we just arrived at the bridge in Tarcoles?
Yeah.
All right. And there's crocodiles here, so yeah. Crocodiles. Look at that big old dog right there. Just waiting for me to jump down. Look at all these crocodiles. What do you see down there?
Lots of crocodiles.
Woo! See crocodiles. I could just look at crocodiles all day. Really gives you a feel for how gnarly nature is, man. Just these trees are just like thrown about in the river. Check it out. First excursion in the books, all done, cost absolutely nothing, and it was awesome. Crocodiles rule. This is my mother's room. She's got an island. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Bed, cool bed up top. Sweetheart. Ooh, cool bathroom. Well, guys, welcome to the best place ever. Check it out. This is where we're staying. Whoa. Hi, Christine.
Here, we can let some light in so it's a better
We got a fridge, we got a kitchen, got extra bedding, got main bedding, got a bathroom. Boom. That's all well and dandy, but look where we are.
Sorry.
There's a sick pool down there, and there's a sicker ocean right there.
Just a few steps away.
Boom. Absolutely ecstatic. This is awesome. Let's go. All right, so, ooh, look at those parrots. Beautiful red color. Anyway, we just stocked up on groceries, and now we're meeting up with the group to go grab some dinner. Sort of concluding the first day. Going on 0 sleep at all. We managed to get over here, saw some crocodiles on the way, had a little swim, a little body surfing when we got here, a little swimming pool swim.
Oh, yeah.
Then we went and got groceries, so we just finished stocking up our fridge for the week. And now we're going to not eat that food we just bought and
have some yummy food that somebody else can make for us.
Exactly, in some restaurant. food with the crew, and who knows, maybe another night swim later. I don't know, we'll see what we get into. But a phenomenal first day, especially considering the 0 sleep last night as we were coming over. I guess Christine got a little bit. I got 0. I think Mama Gross got 0. I'm not sure about Nick and Becky.
Sounds like Nick was 0, Becky maybe a little bit.
Yeah. So yeah, absolutely phenomenal day in the most perfect place in the world. Playa Hermosa, Costa Rica. So yeah, we're gonna get some dinner.
Yeah, and then Salton that's just wonderful. It's wonderful.
Great.
Pineapple and mango.
That's nice.
Yeah, nice and sweet.
Yeah, very.
Boom. Last time I saw live music. We weren't able to book all our rooms in the same hotel. In fact, we're all in different hotels. And this is Becky's. And Nick. Becky and Nick. Playa Hermosa. Nick, you just got to Costa Rica. What are you doing? He's watching American football. Let's go. En Espanol. So moving on from Nick and Becky's, we have, about 15 steps till we get to my mom's hotel. Surf in Hermosa.